Ever feel like Adobe Premiere Pro just isn't cutting it? You're not alone. There are amazing video editing apps out there that are easier to use, more affordable, and packed with features. Ready to find out which ones can take your editing skills to the next level? Stick around because we're diving into the top 10 alternatives of Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's be honest, video editing can be a real headache sometimes. But what if we told you there's a video editing software that actually makes the process fun and easy? Introducing Wondershare Filmora. With features like compound clip, screen recorder, speed ramping, and keyframing, you have everything you need to create stunning videos. It also offers amazing video effects and preset templates, including AI Portrait, Boris FX, and New Blue FX, which make your videos look polished and engaging. The AI features are where Filmora truly shines. Imagine spending less time on tedious edits and more time creating. With the AI music generator, your videos get the perfect soundtrack instantly. AI text to video turns your script into a lively video, while AI smart cutout and AI smart masking make removing objects or changing backgrounds a snap. Need compelling titles and descriptions? The AI copywriting feature has you covered. And to make your videos stand out, Filmora's AI thumbnail creator ensures you grab your audience's attention with eye-catching thumbnails. You also get access to an ever-growing library of templates, graphics, and stock assets. Plus, you can edit, save, and share your content across all your devices, whether you're on your desktop or on the go. Perfect for influencers, SMBs, freelancers, and marketers, Filmora offers a full suite of tools and AI-powered features to make your video editing experience better than ever. Corel Video Studio is all about turning your best moments into amazing movies. It's easy to use and comes with essential tools, creative effects, and powerful performance. Imagine capturing and editing video across multiple cameras. With multicam capture and screen recording, you can record your screen and webcam at the same time, making it perfect for tutorials or gameplays. Multicam video editing lets you combine footage from different angles, add picture-in-picture effects, and sync everything seamlessly. Plus, you can use split-screen templates to show multiple videos at once, which is great for comparisons or showcasing different perspectives. Corel Video Studio also offers a variety of transitions, color correction tools, and creative filters to enhance your videos. And if you love adding fun elements, you'll enjoy the animated AR stickers and instant slideshow features. It's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to create polished, professional-looking videos with ease. Next, we have OpenShot, a versatile video editor that's perfect for any platform, Linux, Mac, or Windows. It's user-friendly, making it ideal for beginners. You can trim and slice your videos quickly, ensuring you capture the perfect moments. OpenShot's animation and keyframes let you add dynamic effects like fading, sliding, or bouncing to any part of your video. The best part? Unlimited tracks. You can add as many layers as you need for watermarks, background videos, or audio tracks. With its video effects engine, you can easily remove backgrounds, adjust brightness, or even invert colors. Audio waveforms help you visualize your audio files, making it easier to sync with your video. You can also create stunning 3D animations for titles and effects. Plus, OpenShot supports slow motion and time effects, allowing you to control the speed of your video. It's simple, yet powerful, making it a great alternative to Adobe Premiere Pro. Moving on, Pinnacle Studio 26 Ultimate is designed for those who want pro-level video editing. It offers advanced tools, cinema-grade effects, and precise controls to bring your creative concepts to life. You can edit HD, 4K, and even 360-degree videos across unlimited tracks. With features like video masking, motion tracking, and multicam editing, you have the power to create professional-quality videos. The color grading functionality lets you add a cinematic touch to your videos, while morph and seamless transitions make your edits look smooth and polished. Pinnacle Studio also offers a customizable workspace, allowing you to set tool shortcuts and group clips for a streamlined workflow. The new version is faster and more efficient, focusing on core editing processes to enhance stability and performance. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned editor, Pinnacle Studio 26 Ultimate helps you produce high-quality videos that can impress any audience. Now, let's talk about Vegas Pro 21, a tool that makes video editing easier and faster. The new AI features help you edit long footage in minutes. For example, the AI Smart Mask 2.0 can swap scenes or remove backgrounds without any manual work. The AI text-based editing lets you convert audio into text, making it simple to cut out bloopers and awkward silences by just editing the text. Vegas Pro also improves performance, so you won't face sluggish playback. The AI-powered compositing tool allows you to add titles and effects between video layers effortlessly. Plus, you can fine-tune colors perfectly, ensuring your videos look their best. For teamwork, the new Media Share feature lets your team share and view files in one place, improving collaboration. With Vegas Pro, you can create professional quality videos with tools like Mocha for motion tracking and SoundForge for audio refinement. It's a great choice for anyone looking to enhance their video editing experience without the complexity of Adobe Premiere Pro. Another great option is Canva, whose video editing tools are designed for simplicity and speed. You can easily upload and manage media clips, drag and drop them into the timeline, and trim or crop with just a few clicks. The editor works on any device, so you can edit videos on the go. Need to add effects? Use Canva's library of music, animations, and transitions to enhance your videos. Its AI tools like Enhance Voice and Auto Trim make editing even faster, automatically improving audio and highlighting the best moments. Collaborate in real time with your team, leaving comments and making edits together. Once your video is ready, publish it directly to social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Canva offers a simple, efficient alternative to Adobe Premiere Pro for all your video editing needs. Make stunning videos in no time with Movavi Video Editor's intuitive interface. The tools are easy to use, making it simple to cut, crop, and trim your footage. You can also add titles, transitions, and filters with just a few clicks. Movavi's AI features, like background removal and noise reduction, help you polish your videos without extra effort. It also includes color adjustment and stabilization to ensure your videos look great. For those who want more, Movavi offers a video suite that includes photo editing and screen recording. You can convert files quickly and upscale videos with AI, making Movavi a versatile tool. Movavi is user-friendly, which means you don't need to spend a lot of time learning how to use it. It's a straightforward alternative to Adobe Premiere Pro, offering powerful features without the complexity. Whether you're making travel videos or professional content, Movavi has you covered with its simple, effective tools. For those looking for an all-in-one solution, DaVinci Resolve combines editing, color correction, visual effects, motion graphics, and audio post-production in one software. It's designed with a sleek interface that's easy for beginners, but powerful enough for professionals. This means you don't need multiple apps, which speeds up your workflow and keeps the quality high. Professionals in film and TV choose DaVinci Resolve because it offers top-notch image processing, advanced color science, and exceptional sound quality. With tools used by Hollywood, you can produce professional-grade videos. The latest version, DaVinci Resolve 19, includes AI tools that simplify tasks like text-based editing, noise reduction, and color grading. You can also collaborate in real time with team members from anywhere. DaVinci Resolve turns your computer into a complete post-production studio, making it a great alternative to Adobe Premiere Pro. Want to create professional-looking videos but find editing software intimidating? Look into Lightworks. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, its intuitive interface lets you create stunning videos without hassle. The timeline is crafted for seamless editing, handling any footage size or frame rate. Plus, you can keep editing while exporting thanks to background rendering. Customize your workspace, maximize color with HDR workflows, and control VFX with video masks. Lightworks' audio suite ensures your projects sound as good as they look. The software offers over 1,500 VFX presets for transitions, filters, and effects. New Blue Total FX enhances your video with titling, motion graphics, and advanced chroma key for green screen effects. Lightworks combines ease of use with powerful tools, making it a strong competitor to Adobe Premiere Pro. Become your own VFX artist with PowerDirector's user-friendly tools for advanced effects. Its AI tools simplify tasks like face blurring, background removal, and object detection, making your videos look professional with minimal effort. You can also replace skies, add motion tracking, and create video collages with ease. The software supports keyframe controls for precise adjustments, and its video stabilizer fixes shaky footage. Speed up or slow down clips easily and match colors for a consistent look. Enhance your videos with LUTs, HDR effects, and color adjustments. Audio editing is just as robust with AI tools to remove noise, enhance speech, and transform voices. PowerDirector's user-friendly interface and powerful features make it a top choice for video editing. So that concludes our list of the 10 video editing apps better than Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.